Hello there, nature enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the jungle to meet some fascinating creatures, gorillas. Did you know that gorillas share a whopping 98.3% of their DNA with us humans? That's right, these gentle giants are practically family. We're talking about two main types of gorillas, eastern gorillas and western gorillas. Within these groups, we've got four fantastic subspecies. The eastern lowland gorilla, the mountain gorilla. You guessed it, they live in the mountains. The western lowland gorilla and the super rare cross-river gorilla. Now, you might be wondering what makes these hairy relatives so special. Well, stick around, my friends, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the wonderful world of gorillas. Get ready for big appetites, even bigger brains, and a whole lot of heart. Let's get this jungle party started. Gorillas are the largest primates on Earth. These magnificent creatures are not just known for their size, but also for their incredible strength and gentle nature. That's right, they're the kings and queens of the primate world. With their imposing presence, they command respect in the animal kingdom. Imagine a furry, muscular giant standing tall at almost 6 feet. Their sheer size is enough to leave anyone in awe. Adult males can weigh up to 400 pounds. That's a lot of muscle and power packed into one incredible animal. That's like having a whole rugby team piled up into one powerful package. Imagine the strength and energy they possess. Don't let their size intimidate you, though. Despite their massive build, gorillas are known for their gentle and peaceful nature. Despite their incredible strength, they're 4 to 10 times stronger than humans. These gentle giants would rather munch on leafy greens than pick a fight. Their diet mainly consists of fruits, leaves, and stems. Speaking of strength, forget about arm wrestling a gorilla. Their power is unmatched and can be quite intimidating. They can tear down banana trees like they're twigs, showcasing their immense power and agility. Bend iron bars with their bare hands, a testament to their extraordinary strength. And their bite force is strong enough to crack open coconuts. Their jaws are incredibly powerful. I wouldn't recommend testing their strength. It's best to admire these magnificent creatures from a safe distance. It's best to admire those muscles from a safe distance. Observing them in their natural habitat is a truly humbling experience. Now let's move on to their table manners, or lack thereof. Gorillas are not exactly known for their neat eating habits. Gorillas can eat up to 60 pounds of food every single day. Their diet is rich in vegetation, and they spend a significant amount of time foraging. That's like a human eating 80 bananas in one sitting. Their appetite is as impressive as their strength. Don't let those big, soulful eyes fool you. Gorillas are not just about brute strength and wild instincts. They possess a level of intelligence that rivals many other animals in the kingdom. Gorillas are incredibly intelligent creatures with a surprising range of skills. They can solve complex problems, use tools, and even exhibit behaviors that suggest a deep understanding of their environment. These guys are masters of their domain, using tools to make their lives easier. For instance, they have been observed using sticks to fish for termites, showcasing their ability to use objects in innovative ways. Need to check the depth of a river? Grab a stick. Gorillas have been seen using sticks to gauge the depth of water before crossing, a clear sign of their problem-solving skills. Want to reach some tasty fruit high up in a tree? No problem, just build a ladder out of bamboo. Their ability to use natural resources to their advantage is truly remarkable. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about their communication skills. Gorillas have a complex system of vocalizations and gestures that they use to communicate with each other. Gorillas have a whole repertoire of sounds, from grunts and growls to hoots and screams. Each sound has a specific meaning, allowing them to convey a wide range of messages. They're basically the opera singers of the jungle. Their vocal abilities are not just for show. They play a crucial role in maintaining social bonds and coordinating group activities. But perhaps the most astonishing display of gorilla intelligence comes from Coco, a gorilla who learned sign language. Coco's ability to communicate with humans using sign language opened up a whole new understanding of gorilla cognition. Coco could use over 1,000 signs and understood around 2,000 spoken words. This level of linguistic ability is extraordinary and highlights the cognitive capabilities of gorillas. She even had a pet cat and grieved its loss, proving gorillas experience complex emotions just like us. Coco's emotional depth and ability to form strong bonds with other animals and humans alike is truly heartwarming. Now that's something to think about. The next time you look into a gorilla's eyes, remember that there's a lot more going on behind those eyes than you might think. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite subject, Food. Gorillas are herbivores, which means they're all about that plant-based life. Their diet consists mainly of bamboo shoots, fruits, leaves, and the occasional insect snack. Imagine a giant salad bowl filled with the freshest jungle greens. That's a gorilla's dream meal. They spend their days roaming their forest homes in Central Africa, searching for the tastiest treats. Eastern gorillas prefer the lush forests of Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, while Western gorillas enjoy the tropical rainforests of Angola, Cameroon, and several other Central African countries. It's a tough job, but someone's got to keep those forests healthy. And by eating all that vegetation, gorillas play a vital role in seed dispersal, helping new plants grow. They're basically the gardeners of the jungle. Section 5, Family Matters, the Silverback's Guide to Gorilla Groupies. Gorillas are social butterflies. Well, maybe not butterflies, but they are very social animals. They thrive on interaction and communication, using a variety of vocalizations, gestures, and even facial expressions to convey their feelings and intentions. This intricate social structure is essential for their survival and well-being. They live in groups called troops, led by a dominant male, the Silverback. This powerful leader is not just a figurehead. He plays a crucial role in the group's dynamics, ensuring that everyone knows their place and that harmony is maintained. The Silverback is like the wise old patriarch of the family, making decisions and keeping everyone in check. His presence is a source of stability and security for the troop, and his leadership is respected by all members. He's got a lot of responsibility on his shoulders and a lot of silver hair on his back, but he wouldn't have it any other way. His role is demanding, but it's also incredibly rewarding, as he ensures the safety and prosperity of his family. Troop sizes can vary from a cozy group of 5 to a bustling gang of over 50 individuals. Each troop has its own unique dynamics and challenges, depending on its size and the personalities of its members. That's a lot of mouths to feed. The Silverback ensures that everyone gets their fair share of food, often leading the group to the best feeding spots and making sure that the young and vulnerable are well taken care of. Within these troops, you've got females, their youngsters, and maybe a few younger males, hoping to one day become the leading man themselves. The social hierarchy is complex, with each member playing a specific role that contributes to the overall harmony of the group. It's like a real-life soap opera with drama, love triangles, and the occasional power struggle. These interactions can be intense, but they are also a natural part of gorilla life, helping to strengthen bonds and establish social order. And just like any family, there's always something happening in a gorilla troop. From daily routines to unexpected events, life in the jungle is full of surprises and excitement. From playful youngsters wrestling to older females gossiping about the latest jungle news, there's never a dull moment. The bonds formed within the troop are strong and enduring, providing a sense of belonging and community that is vital for their survival. You might wonder, why does gorilla conservation matter? Well, gorillas are not just fascinating creatures, they play a crucial role in their ecosystems. By protecting gorillas, we also protect countless other species that share their habitat. It's a ripple effect, really. When we save gorillas, we save entire ecosystems. Ever thought about where the name gorilla comes from? The word gorilla has an interesting origin. It actually comes from the Greek word gorilai, which means tribe of hairy women. This name was given by Hanno, a Carthaginian explorer, who first described these magnificent creatures. Quite a story, isn't it? Gorillas are truly the gardeners of the forest. They disperse seeds through their dung, which helps to maintain the diversity of plant life. This seed dispersal is essential for the health of the forest. Without gorillas, the ecosystem would be significantly less diverse and, well, less vibrant. Let's recap, shall we? Gorillas are vital to their ecosystems and their conservation has far-reaching benefits, but they need our help. So, what can you do? Support conservation organizations, spread awareness, and if you can, visit gorilla habitats responsibly. Every little bit helps. Together we can make a difference.